In our last video, we gave you a basic idea of what phrasal verbs are. If you missed it, click on the video in the top right-hand corner to learn more. In this video, we'll learn some phrasal verbs through a story. The video consists of 2 parts. Let's start with the story. Read the story and pay attention to the phrasal verbs highlighted in blue. Try to guess their meanings as we go along. Following the story, we'll review and explain each phrasal verb in detail. Now sit back and enjoy the story. It was a sunny afternoon. Ronald was lounging around the house when his mum asked for his help with the grocery shopping. Though he was a bit reluctant to leave the sofa, he did not want to let her down. So he got on his bike and headed out. On his way to the supermarket, he witnessed a car accident. A car nearly knocked down a little girl. The girl was startled and fell down. Ronald quickly got off his bike and helped her up. The driver, who was an old lady, got out of the car and called the police at once. The police soon arrived. They wrote down the information while taking statements from Ronald and the old lady. Ronald went on his way after giving the police an account of the incident. While shopping at the supermarket, he ran into a friend he hadn't seen for a while. They spent a long time catching up. Realizing it was getting late, Ronald said goodbye to his friend and quickly finished his shopping. At night, he told his mum the details of his day. His mum was proud of him for helping out in an emergency. She also reminded him to always keep an eye out for dangers and watch out for traffic. Now let's take a look at the highlighted phrasal verbs in detail. Lounge around. It means to spend your time in a relaxed way, sitting or lying somewhere and doing very little. In this context, it suggests that Ronald was resting and not being active. We can use the phrasal verb with a place, such as lounge around the house, lounge around the apartment, lounge around the pool, etc. Ask for. If you ask for something, it means that you want someone to give you something. In this context, Ronald's mum wanted his help with the grocery shopping. Let down. It means to disappoint someone or fail to meet their expectations. The sentence shows that Ronald didn't want to disappoint his mum by saying no to helping with the grocery shopping. Get on. When we use get on with a bike, it means to sit on it. It's also common to use get on with vehicles where we can stand, such as a bus, train, aircraft, or boat. In these cases, it means to enter a vehicle. Head out. It means to leave a place to go somewhere. The sentence shows that Ronald left home to do the grocery shopping. Knock down. It means to hit someone with a vehicle and injure or kill them. fall down. It means someone or something falls to the ground from its normal position. Get off. Get off is the opposite of get on. When we say get off a bike, it means to step down from it. We also use get off with vehicles where we can stand, such as a bus, train, aircraft, or boat. It means to leave a vehicle. Help up. It means to help someone stand up or get up. Get out. It means to leave a vehicle with a small space like a car, taxi, or van. The opposite of get out is get in. We use get in when referring to entering a vehicle with a small space. Write down. It means to write something on a piece of paper. Run into. It means to meet someone by chance. In this context, it suggests that Ronald met his friend unexpectedly. Catch up. It means to learn or discuss the latest news. In this context, it means Ronald and his friend talked about what had been happening in their lives since they last saw each other. Help out. It means to help somebody. In this context, it means Ronald's mum was proud of Ronald for helping someone who needed help. Watch out for. It means to be careful of something. In this context, Ronald's mum reminded him to be aware of dangers, like traffic, and to be careful to avoid accidents. That's all for today. Remember, the best way to learn phrasal verbs is to see them in context. If you're interested in more videos like this, please leave a comment and let me know. We'd be happy to make more if there's a demand for it. Thanks for watching.
If you like our video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.